Hello, my name is Otega Addison. Welcome to the Galicious Limited. Today I'll be teaching you a cost-effective way of lining your baking pans in the absence of parchment paper. Now the materials you'll be needing are a pen or pencil, using a brush, any brush at all. You'll be needing your scissors because you'll be cutting, so scissors. You need your vegetable oil. I would advise you use this rather than, you can also use a margarine, melted margarine, but I would advise you use this. It's more cost effective in this case. So there you go. You'll also need a bit of flour. You don't need it in your calendar. This is what you'll be using in place of parchment paper, so very important. Calendar. Then of course your baking pan, any shape, any size of baking pan, you'll be needing this. Lastly, you'll be needing the measuring tape. This is optional. I'll tell you why you might be needing it. Okay, so stay tuned and we'll continue from there in the next video. Thank you. Okay, let's begin. Take note, we're making use of the white parts, not the parts with print. Now you place your baking pan on top of your calendar this way. Using your pen or pencil, you draw out the shape of whatever pan it is. Make sure it's precise. I'll just show you what I got. This is it. And then you cut using your scissors, you get this. Now remember I told you I was going to tell you what you'll be needing your tape for. Now using your tape, you get the circumference of your pan this way. This is 26, so you add 5 inches, gives you 31. You get the height also. This is 3.5. Add about 2 inches, gives you 5.5. Now you measure your height this way and your circumference this way. Measure in 2 if it doesn't go round. If it's not up to, measure it twice. I'll show you what I got. I already cut mine. Here. Now, like I said, we're using the right side out, so you place in your pan this way, fit it in. It's as easy as that, very fast. Get this white part out, fix it in this way, fix it in this way, and you're ready to grease. So now we'll be greasing. Get this out. Then I'll just set this aside. Now you grease properly too. Make sure it gets to the corners. Then repeat the process here. Then you grease the pan too. Don't forget to do that. Then we're done greasing. Okay, at this point you pour your flour on your greased calendar. Hit the process. Now you pick it up carefully. Go this way. Go this way. Make sure the flour gets to every corner. When you're done, you just dust it like that very easily. Pick up the other one with the process. If the flour is not enough, do also add more. That's it. Then add flour into your baking pan. Hit it round, be sure it goes round. Then pour the excess. If the calendar was fixed in properly, it won't come out. Except you don't fix it in properly, then to come out. So we're done with that now. Place this in. It's easy as that. Yes. now your baking pan is ready for your cake batter to go in. So our cake is out of the oven, and of course it was baked using charcoal. So you can see how beautiful it looks. The surface is very dry. You can see dry surface looking beautiful and very attractive. So I'm just going to flip it over so we'll see how the other parts of the cake looks like. Now you simply go like this, and as easy as that, it comes off. You can see if for any reason the paper doesn't come off, that's the paper on the surface doesn't come off, you can just take it off yourself, and then you can see finely baked. Here you go. Not even a single burn because the fire was well regulated. Do you understand? So I'm just going to cut a slice and show you how the inside looks like. So here you go. You can see it's very well baked, not wet. Everything is perfect. So there you have it. Using calendar in place of parchment paper, you get the same results. Everything still perfectly baked. So you can try this at home and send us what it looks like. I assure you, if you do it properly, you're going to have a perfect result. Thank you for joining our class. Have a lovely day ahead.